to another lesson today. Today will be hello, you're welcome back to another lesson today, and today we will be exploring 6 African praise songs that utilizes the 1-4-5 chord progression. Now on the key of C major, we have the 1, C E G as the chord 1. We have the F A C as chord 4, and G, B, and D as chord 5. So the 1-4-5 chord progression goes from the 1 to the 4 to the 5 and back to the 1. So the first song we have on our list is This Kind God. So we have 1, 4, 5. On the list, we have the second song, which is My Helper. That's under common popular praise song rather. We have number 3, we have number 4, we have although for this particular song you have to alternate between the chord 5 and the chord 4 before you go back to the chord 1. Then we have this particular song again. Okay, am I missing it? I missed it there, okay? So these are popular African praise songs that utilizes the 1-4-5 chord progression. Now let's take it a bit further. How do you play to this kind of song? How do you vamp to them? Well, to some people, vamping is something serious, something quite challenging. But I'm going to show you a simple way you can do this vamp to this song. So before then, I'll just go over all the songs one after the other. So simple way you can vamp to the 1-4-5 progression is to have this rhythmic pattern of 1-1. That's your left hand. You play whatever note or chord you are playing on your left hand. You play it once, and then you play your right hand also once. So let's do 1, 4, and 5. The first pattern you can do is this. That's 1, 1, 1, 1. Left hand once, right hand once, left hand once, right hand once, and it goes like this. Chord 4, chord 5, that's one pattern. Another pattern you can play is this. So here you are doing 1, you do 1 on your left hand, you strike once, you play once on your right hand, you play once again on your left hand, and you play twice on your right hand. So you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So when you put in the rhythmic flow, you have this. Remember, you're always starting with your left hand. Okay, so one more thing you can do is you can add this notes that will lead you to your 4. And what is this note? It is the 7th note that makes your chord 1, which is the C major, to become A, C dominant 7th chord. So that will lead you to the chord 4. So let's do the first rhythmic pattern. Going to the chord 4, chord 5, then on the chord 5, going back to the chord 1, include the F notes. That's the F key and the Fa notes. So that will give you what is called the suspended 4th chord, and that will lead you back to the chord 1. So if you are playing your chord 5 like this, simply add this note F, and it will take you back to 1. So you have it. And remember one thing, take note of this rather. You can either add the notes in the ascending order or in the descending order. So for a beginner, this is a simple way you can play this 1-4-5 chord progression smoothly without any itch. Either you are playing in church or you are playing in wherever location you find yourself. You can easily pilot your way through all these songs that make use of that follows the 1-4-5 chord progression without any problem. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Do well to subscribe, like, share this lesson. Thank you. Bye.